Mog the Forgetful Cat, written by Judith Kerr. Once, there was a cat called Mog, and she lived with a family called Thomas. Mog was nice, but not very clever. She didn't understand a lot of things. A lot of other things she forgot. She was a very forgetful cat. Sometimes she ate her supper. Then she forgot that she'd eaten it.
Meow. No, you've had enough, Mog. You can't have any more.
Sometimes she thought of something in the middle of washing her leg. Then she forgot to wash the rest of it.
Put your leg down, Mog. You look silly with it sticking up in the air.
Once she forgot that cats can't fly.
Oh, look! Mog's fallen out of the apple tree.
Wow. But most of all, she forgot her cat flap. The cat flap led from the kitchen into the garden. Mog could go out and in again. It was her own little door. The garden always made Mog very excited. She smelled all the smells. She chased the birds. She climbed the trees. She ran round and round with a big fluffed-up tail. And then she forgot the cat flap.
Aww.
She forgot that she had a cat flap. She wanted to go back into the house, but she couldn't remember how. In the end, she sat outside the kitchen window and meowed.